We got a box! Look at this thing, it's a beauty. Seriously though, it has been so long since I've done an unboxing and I am so excited for this one. Not just because it's pretty big, but also because the stuff that's inside here is awesome. You probably know from the thumbnail, but I'm really excited for these things.
Don't try this shit at home!
Oh my gosh, I am so excited right now. Got these. That went straight into my face. Okay, that's enough of that. Get out of here. So this is the first product. I don't know why I'm doing to this camera. This is our first product, the GAN Mirror M. You've all seen it before. I've seen it a million times and I've been wanting to get my hands on this bad boy, but I just haven't had the chance to take a look at this box. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh, wait, I've seen this box. Oh my gosh, wait, it's not in frame. Okay, let me just pick it up. It's so weird. I don't really know how to, okay, I'm gonna take the cube out. Accessories? What is this for? Okay, so we got some accessories in the bottom. What, really? Do you see this? This huge box for this pamphlet, which I'm not gonna use, and this. What? Enough of this confusing box. I mean, it's nice, but I'm confused. Also, I think this is to adjust the tensions. I don't think there's like anything special customizable about this cube, but I do know that it's the first magnetic mirror cube and that it's considered the best by a lot of people. So yeah, I'm excited. All right, we got the cube. Let's open it up. Ah, it's been so long since I've opened a cube, it feels so good. Look at it, so cool, those stickers that like change colors. I've seen this on camera, but it goes from like purple to blue. Wow, I'm excited. Ooh, feel the magnets. Oh, this is kind of crazy. Oh my gosh, it corner cuts. This is not supposed to do that. Reverse? This is crazy. I'm confused. My mind is being absolutely blown right now. This is crazy. The first mirror cube ever that number 1 has magnets, number 2 can corner cut, and number 3 is actually kind of good. So I'm not good at mirror blocks by any means. I haven't touched a mirror blocks in a really long time. I don't even know if I can still solve it. I guess I can try. Yeah, let's try to solve this bad boy. Yay! I did it. I probably should have timed it, but I don't know. That was really fun. Honestly, I want to do this a little bit more. Because it's magnetic, it's just so fun to turn. Like, I don't know how they did this. Like, it's magnetic at every place. Because in a normal 3x3, right, there's only one place where you have to put the magnets, here and here. But like, if you think about it, this magnet is aligning with this edge, but then it has to align here. So they have to put a random magnet here, but they have to do that for every single piece. What? And this thing is like 30 bucks. Good bargain. But you know what is better bargain? Use discount code CFF for 5% off at discount code. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so if you have no idea what I was saying, my point was make sure to use discount code CFF for 5% off at thecubicle.com. Speaking of which, thank you so much to thecubicle.com for making this video possible. I don't know why I said it like that. That was really weird. Thanks to the Cubicle. And now we're on to the next package. I don't know where I put it. Here it is. Oh yeah, final thoughts. This thing is awesome and I'm definitely gonna be playing with it a lot. Maybe expect a review. I'm not a mirror blocks guy, but it's a lot of fun. Okay, this is what I'm most excited for. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this was another GAN unboxing. I love GAN unboxing because like you can never be dissatisfied with GAN. This is my first Mosaic thing and I'm excited. And especially because I've heard some great things about the GAN one. I've seen some like crazy features. I got the 6x6 pixels because I'm not rich, although the Cubicle is sending me this stuff, but still. I feel like I can start with the small one. So the first thing you're greeted with is this Mosaic Cube. It's like a pamphlet. It's pretty cool. I don't need it. And here it is. Look at it. Oh my gosh. And this thing, whoever thought of this needs a raise. This is insane. Bro, that is just genius. Cause like, if you think about it, right? What if I messed up this? Oh, how am I gonna get it? Needs a raise. Okay, so let's turn the cube. I already turned it before. Obviously it's not magnetic. They needed to keep it at a reasonable performance. Yeah, maybe don't compete with this, but I mean, for a Mosaic cube, it's fine. Yeah, like obviously it's not amazing performance, but at the same time, like it's not half bad. Oh no. Oh, I see. Okay, so I was wondering how it like snapped in. I thought it was magnets or something, but no, there's just slots here for the cubes to connect into. That's pretty cool. Let's take these out. This is a lot of 3x3s. I don't know, do I want to make a Mosaic right now? I mean, I'm kind of lazy, but maybe I do need to do it for the video. Whoa, there's an app for this thing? Hold on, wait, I'm gonna download the app and I'll be right back, because now I kind of want to make a Mosaic. Like, this just seems really fun. I'll be right back. Look at it. Oh, it's so cool. Look, it's the cubicle. Oh, this is so sick. I'm gonna make some crazy stuff on this. This is probably one of the most fun things, but this is crazy and it's super fun, and I would definitely recommend you check this out. It'll be the second link in the description. The first one being this, the GAN Mirror M, which is also really cool. And yeah, I'll definitely be playing around with both of those things a lot more. And yeah, I'm especially excited for this. This is gonna be sick. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're still here, thanks for sticking all the way to the end. This has been Cubing for Fun, and I'll catch you in the next one.